Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you a really quick look at these pine stems. So this is a 12-piece set. These are so full and fluffy. You can very easily maneuver these around and they look so realistic and they feel incredible. They're not that sharp, pointy plastic material that I feel like I see most of the time I come across like a pine stem or branch. This is very soft and flexible. It feels wonderful to the touch and looks amazing. So I mean, even just one branch opens up so much. It does have a shorter base, so it's perfect for shorter vases like this. And the stem portion is well wrapped. It feels so well made, and it would be perfect for creating an arrangement and pairing with other picks or by itself like this. So if you guys were looking for a way to decorate, especially for Christmas, or if you just wanted to add some greenery to your home, this is a wonderful option. I would definitely give this a try.